In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to clone any website using the command line on Windows. Your client give you a website link and asks to recreate the same design. Well, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do that. Remember, this video is only for educational purpose. So we took this website, aistoms.com, and this is our website. We are going to download this website on our computer. We'll try to customize this website offline. So let's get started. Go to your search bar and type cmd for command prompt and enter. Now write cd desktop. Okay, now write wget. So if you get this type of reply, wget is not recognized by the internal or external command, then you need to download this wget. So now go to your browser and search for wget. Now click on the first link and download it as exe file. So the wget is downloading on our computer. After downloading wget.exe from this website, open the folder, copy it and paste it on the desktop. So I'll repaste it here. Now go back to the command line again. Now type cd desktop. Now write wget. Now you can see we can use the wget. So now you need to put a command. I will put this command on the video description. Copy this command and paste it. After the command, you need to put the URL of the website, which website you want to download. So for our case, we are downloading this website. We will copy this link and paste it after the command. And now press enter. So you can see the wget is start downloading all the assets of these websites. It will take few minutes to download all the assets of this website. All the assets of this website has been downloaded successfully. Now close the command and you will see a new folder with the website name aistoms.com. Open that folder and you can see all the folders are here. This is a WordPress website, so you can see the WP content folder. Under this WP content we have the themes. Also we can use these themes. If you click on this index.html, this will open the website. Wow, the website is same to same with this design, with the animations. The animations are same. You can see this is rotating, so everything is same to same like the reference website. So this is how you can just copy any website. This is the original website. You can see the aistoms.com and this is our website. Check the link. This link is our desktop URL. Let's refresh it again. Every effects are same to same as the reference websites. So this is how you can simply download any website using command line. Please don't misuse this technique and use this for only educational purpose. Now if you want to convert image or screenshots into website using ChatGPT, click on the left video, or if you want to host your website on your own computer, click on the right video. If this video is helpful, smash the like button. Consider subscribe our channel to get informational video for free.